Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Muhammad Kamar. Welcome back to my channel. Finally guys, today is the day 39 of our 3 years machine learning challenge. By the way, the previous video I uploaded to my channel was actually the day 39, but unfortunately or by mistakenly I don't know why I was not known that that was day 39 and today is basically day 40. But of course, since we do not have uploaded any video for day 39, so we will call this video as day 39. Okay, so yeah guys, this is actually we have started a 3 years machine learning challenge. We have challenged ourselves to complete to learn the complete machine learning from beginning to advanced, and so far we have learned the complete Python programming language, which you can see on my YouTube channel, right? And now we are practicing the Python programming language for the next 2 months, and so far we have created these 6 projects in Python programming language. And today we are going to make a new program, which is basically about, you can say that, which is basically about the reverse of a number. So before starting the video, I literally like searched on that, and I like, so that the video may be not too much long and it will be short. So reverse of a number, what is it? Let's again ask it from the ChatGPT, so that you guys can also understand that what is a number, what is the reverse of a number. But let me tell you that if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel so that you can join me in my journey, which is of 3 years, right? So here is what is a reverse of a number. Reverse of a numbers means that if the user give us 1 2 3 4, then we will give the value as 4 3 2 1. And if the user give us 5 6 0 0, then the two zeros will be the leading zeros will be dropped, and we will have that 5 6 and 5. Okay, yeah. So for this, now let's start writing the code. First of all, I have to write these heading lines, and before that I am going to make a new file here, and then I will call it reverse a number, right? Reverse number dot py, and then here I will write it like reverse a number, reverse a number in Python, and then Muhammad Kumar. Today's date is 11th September. Right here you can see that it is 11th. Okay, so now let's write the pseudocode, which we write always before writing the real code. So what is actually we are going to do is that for the first step is always, of course, take input from the user, take input from the user. Let's say that here actually I learned from the ChatGPT that how we should write the pseudocode a little bit. So this is, of course, we have to learn everything, so that's how we have to write the pseudocode. Okay, so first of all I have to take input from the user, which is, let's say here, let's say 43. Okay, and then what I will do is that the second step I'm going to do is that I will, actually it is same like the previous program we have created in the previous video. We have to first of all break this number, like let me tell you that if we have 43, so I will break this. Okay, break let's say I will say that break what, break this 43 into 4 and 3. Okay, and then I will add this 4 and 3 in the reverse order, like the 3 and 4, and then I will give the result. Okay, so how I can do that, it is easy, I guess, right? So the second step what we will do is that we will create a variable inside which I am going to store uh, the remainder. Okay, actually when we break it we will have a remainder like this, and we will store it inside the variable. Let's say we call this variable a reverse number. Okay, reverse number, and then inside it we will store the remainder. Okay, remainder. Then the third step is that we will apply a loop. Here again we will apply while loop until the number we input a number n. Okay, an n from the user, so until the n is greater than 0. So we will apply this loop, and we actually have done this in the previous video. Then inside it I will do the other things, like the fourth step is number break the number to get the remainder. Okay, then what I will do is that save remainder inside inside, let's say reverse number. Okay, inside this. Yes, and then inside this, and yes, like this. Okay, then what I will do is that the fifth step is going to be to remove the last digit of the number n. Okay, of n, and then here also I will do it, I guess. Okay, all right. So then in the seventh step what I will do is that just print the reverse number. Okay, print the reverse number. All right, so now we are going to write the code, and you will see that how the pseudocode will help us in writing the real programming code. Okay, the real Python language code. So first of all I have to copy this line from here and paste it here, and then I will write the Python code here. Okay, first of all I have to take a number from the user, so that I will say that n equals to input, and then not just input but integer. The input should be in the integer form. Okay, then I will say that enter a number please, enter a number please. Okay, then what I will do is that while taking this number, since it is in the integer form, then what I will do is that make a variable. Here you can see that I am following these steps. Okay, then I will make a variable that reverse equals to, let's say, 0, just like the previous program code we have created, like sum of digits. Then what I will do is that while I will apply the while loop while n is less than 0. Okay, I mean greater than 0. Okay, and then what I will do is that why I'm starting it from 0, because not sorry, actually why I'm using the n here and here. So this is basically a variable we have learned about that, so you can watch my videos. There is not a big question here. Okay, so then I will do is that I will break the number to get the remainder. So how we get the remainder? We get the remainder using the modulus. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, by using modulus. Okay, modulus. So I am using modulus 10, and then I will store it inside, let's say, a variable called digit. Okay, then what I will do is that I will say that reverse, inside the reverse I will save it like the previous video. Okay, I will say that digit, and then okay, but here is the thing, let me first of all write it. Let's say n is equals to 10. Okay, and print the reverse. So here you can see that it is storing just like the previous video. Let's we run it, and then you will understand what I am trying to say. I'm writing 1 2 3 and it is giving me the 6, which is the answer of the previous video, actually the sum of digits. Okay, I do not want the sum of digit, but I want the reverse of the digit. So what I will do is that, like here, let me write a comment here that I want the reverse, right? So multiply the reverse with 10. Why with 10? Because when we get, let's say, the 3 here, when it is breaked, and then it will be like this for us. Okay, here we will have 3 and 4, right? Then what I will do is that it will be first of all like this, 4 and 3. Then I will convert them into, I will save this into this manner, right? 4 and 3 and 4. So if I store it directly like this, it will be 7. Okay, it will directly get 7. But what if I multiply 3 multiply 10 will be equals to 30, right? 30, and then I will add the 4 into it, and it will give me equals to 34. So I will get the reverse of this number. You can see that 43 is converted into 34. So for this, what I will do is that here I will uh, assign the value of reverse, multiply 10 and plus digit. Okay, and then I guess it is complete. When I write 43, I will get 34. Or if I write something else, let's say a very big number, let's say 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 6 5 4 3 2, and it will I will get the, actually I have already written that in the reverse, so I think it was not that much wise. Okay, 1 2 3 4, so we have 4 3 2 1. So like this it will be working. So now what we will do is that just copy the whole code. In the previous video, what I did wrong is that I didn't give the code to the ChatGPT, so that I get known to the mistakes I have done. Okay. Your pseudocode and Python code are perfectly correct. Let's walk through your example 43 step by step, so you clearly see how it works. So I am getting input as 43 and initializing a reverse 0. First iteration is digit 43 divided by, okay, then it is like this. Okay, this is what I have already done. So your logic is 100% correct, and modulus gets the last digit. This will build the reverse, yes, and this removes the last digit. Okay, but what should I do? Would you like me to show you how this works if the number has trailing zeros? Okay, let's say we have zeros in our number. Okay, let's say 0 0 0, then we will have just 21, and these zeros will be dropped. Okay, so yes, this is how it works. It is working correctly. No, if there, okay, so I guess if it is not saying anything, so I should just keep on. I do not want to get so much things in my code that, since I am in the beginning stages right now, so yes, I will by the way apply the true, uh, come on man, while true, so that it can be, again I will make it a little more good. Okay, ask equals to input. This is a similar thing, but yesterday I learned something new. Not yesterday, I mean today, before the video. So enter, no, so do not enter, but do you want to use? Okay, then say that yes slash no, and here I will apply this question mark, and here I will give it space and colon, and then here I will use the lower. Okay, so that I will not be writing again and again here that ask is equals to ask dot lower. Okay, then if ask is equals to no, then I will say that break the loop. Okay, the program will stop. Then elif, if ask is equals to yes, then what I will do is that just try this, try what, try this. Okay, run it again one tab, and then I will write the except here, that value error, and then I will say that print uh, please please enter valid number a valid number, and then I will write it like this. Then what I will do here is that I will write the else here, and then print please enter yes or no. So now if I run my code, yes, I want to use it, enter a number please. So I will say that 4567, it should be 7654. Okay, 7654. Yes, do you want to use it? I will say something else, let's say no, and it is saying that please enter. Okay, so we can, what we can do here is that we can also today we can also make a new improvement in our code, that if ask is equals to ask, or let's say instead of ask it could be no also. Okay, and here it could be yes also. Okay, now let's run it. If the user say that yes, okay, it is not working. So yes or something like this, run it again, yes, it is again. Okay, it is executing but not giving me the answer, not asking me like I want to use it, right? So if ask is equals to no, then it should break. If ask is equals to no, it should break. But let's kill this terminal again, run it. Okay, the user is saying that yes. Okay, what is wrong here? If ask is equals to yes or this, okay, what I can do that, or ask is equals to, okay, ask equals to this. Then now let's run it again. I will say there something else, please enter this, let's say yes, yes, it is again working. Okay, so it is working perfectly. I will say no, and it is coming out of the loop. So yeah, it is now working perfectly. So yeah guys, this was for today's video. I hope so you liked my video, and make sure to subscribe my channel to join me in this journey. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.